Hello, my name is Randy Dobson, and this video will be covering me showing the creation of a table, a basic table using 3D commands and 2D commands. I've put the size of the table. It's just going to be a basic four-legged rectangular table. And as you can see, I'm in the general 2D setup. So the first thing I'm going to do is to my view cube, I'm going to hit that bottom right corner, and that gets me in an isometric view, which will allow me to see when I extrude. And as you notice up here, I'm still have my 2D menu. So if you come down to the far right, and you should see this little workspace switching. If you don't, go to customization and make sure the workspace switching is checked off. That will show that it's down here. And I'm going to open that up and go to 3D modeling. And as you notice now up here, I have the 3D commands. Now the first thing I'm going to draw is the tabletop. I could use rectangle, but just to make it easier, I'm just going to use polyline. And I have my ortho on. And I'm going to type in 30 for 30 inches. And zoom out. And then 60 inches. Then 30 inches. And then down here, close. So there I have my tabletop. So now what I want to do is I want to place the circles for the legs, which are a 3-inch diameter. So I'm going to put those about 5 inches off of the edge of the table. So I'm going to come up here to offset and type in 5, enter, and offset this P line. Now at all these corners, this is where my legs will go. So I will go to circle diameter, and then I will select the end point, END, enter. And then for the diameter, I want to type in 3. And there is my first leg. And just to make it go a little quicker, I'm just going to do copy. I'm going to select my circle, hit enter, then select this end point, this end point, this end point, and then this end point. I hit escape. Also, I don't need these guidelines anymore, and I'm deleting those. Okay, so now I am going to extrude the tabletop, and I didn't put on here the width of it. We'll go with about, say, a 4-inch thick tabletop, and I would go to extrude up here at the far left and select the rectangle, or select the rectangle created by polyline. Select on that and then hit enter, and as you can see, it's going up. I don't want to go down, I want to go up because I want to show it to you upside down so you can see how the legs are done. And then I will type in 4. Now you notice I'm in wireframe view. Otherwise you would see this tabletop. Let me just switch over real quick. Let's see, and there's our tabletop. But one of the reasons I'm using wireframe right now is so I can access those circles without having to rotate it around. So I'll go back to wireframe. Now, same thing I did before. I'm going to go to extrude, and I'm going to pick this circle, this circle, this circle, and this circle. Hit enter. Now as you notice, it wants to go down or up, so I want to take it this way. And the leg length, as you see, I put 30 inches, so I'm going to type in 30. Enter. Now, as I zoom around, I can change this back to realistic and then kind of orbit around. And there you can see my table that I've created using the 3D commands and also 2D. As you notice, I did the P line and the circles. Those are still 2D, and just a basic use of the extrude command and completing a simple table. Thank you very much.